Hello and welcome to the video. It's Boxing Day already, and it's also day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas. Now, if you haven't seen the other videos, this is a series of 12 videos coming out of the Christmas and New Year period. Every video is to announce a prize draw, and this just happens to be the 4th one. So the Boxing Day prize draw this time is for this thing here. This is the FXT DVR that I looked at a while ago. If you're interested in this, then as usual, like the video, leave a comment down below, make sure you're a subscriber. If you are already a subscriber, make sure you've got the bell notification icon turned on, and then you won't miss the other 8 giveaways that are going to come out in the coming days. Good luck to everybody, and thank you to FXT for sending this for a prize. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching, and happy flying.